Today, we're checking out the vivo Y21d, a budget-friendly smartphone now available in the Philippines that packs some premium features you won't usually find in this price range. Let's start with the unboxing. For the performance, the device is powered by a 1.8 GHz 12nm Unisoc T7225 octa-core processor with options for 4GB or 6GB of RAM and offers either 128GB or 256GB of expandable storage via microSD up to 2TB, making it capable of handling everyday tasks and light gaming smoothly. The vivo Y21d sports a big 6.68-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits brightness, protected by Guardian Glass for added durability. This means you get smooth scrolling and great outdoor visibility. One of the most remarkable aspects is its large 6500 mAh battery with 44 watts fast charging. Vivo claims that this allows for hours of continuous usage and can reach from 1% to 40% in just 30 minutes. The standout features is its durability. The vivo Y21d boasts an IP68 and IP69 dust and water resistant rating, ensuring it's protected against dust and splashes, making it ideal for daily use and outdoor adventures. Additionally, has received the SGS 5-star drop resistant certification and is rated military grade shock resistant, meaning it can withstand drops and harsh conditions that usually damage phones. The vivo Y21d is equipped with a 50MP main camera capable of underwater photography, protected by its impressive IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance ratings. On the front, it has a 5MP selfie camera. It also features stereo speakers with a 400% volume boost, perfect for media consumption. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15 and offers convenient security options like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock. As for the price, the vivo Y21d comes in two variants here in the Philippines. 6,999 pesos for the 4GB plus 128GB variant and 8,999 for the 6GB plus 256GB variant. Available colors are lavender, purple, and glowing black. If you're looking for a budget phone with big battery life, durable build, good cameras, and fast charging, the vivo Y21d is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews.